Virgin Voyages does food differently on board their cruise. It's not your main dining room, buffet, and specialty dining that you have to pay for experience. Everything's included. So if you're thinking about Virgin Voyages and wondering where you're going to eat and what you're going to have, this is going to be the video for you. The Galley is Virgin's approach to a buffet. So they have several different stations you can stop at to order smaller plates. Like at Noodle Around, there are ramen and udon dishes and different specials every day. So basically you make your order, place your order, they'll give you a beeper similar to waiting in line at a restaurant. And then when it goes off, you go pick up your small plate. At Let's Talk About It, that's the place for delicious tacos and burritos, usually with chips and salsa or chips and guacamole on the side. Every day there is a specialty taco or burrito that you can try, so it mixes it up a bit and gives you a little bit of variety. At the Daily Mix, you can enjoy fresh salads. Every day also they have a specialty salad that you can order that they'll make for you, or you can create your own salad. They also have soups and breads at this station as well. You can quickly pick up your daily fruit, your paninis, your sandwiches, or your avocado toast at Hot Off the Press. We really enjoyed the avocado toast, highly recommend it. The easiest one we found was Bento Baby, where you could get your sushi, your seaweed salad, a quick bite to eat. This was really our go-to whenever we just needed to grab and go, and it was always fresh and light. Diner and Dash was open 24/7, and it had your diner feel for your breakfast vibe because it did eggs and omelets all day long, along with the daily entree. And then there's the burger bar. They had specialty burgers you could order where they would whip up for you right there, or just your regular burger, or even veggie burger every day. And then your bread station. Oh, the breads, the bakery, the desserts, I can't get enough. In Test Kitchen, you're going to feel like you're going through an experiment in flavor, technique, and presentation. So it's sort of like you're going into a lab. We chose to sit at the bar so we could see them creating our food. On a longer cruise, you can experience about at least 2 different menus, and there's one with, you can change any of them for dietary restrictions if you need to. You'll find dishes like beef or venison tenderloin with a chocolate sauce, or scallops with ham and egg yolk with caviar on one menu, or maybe you'll have chicken with eel with soy, or scallops with black garlic if you have a different menu. Don't be afraid to do the upcharge with the wine pairing or the cocktails or even mocktails. Razzle Dazzle is a vegetarian-forward menu that offers breakfast, brunch, and dinner options like carrots and brown butter or beet pierogies. They also offer the meat add-ons for us meat lovers like fried chicken or a lamb shank. And the drag brunch also has unlimited mimosas and a performance by the diva on board. We're going through all these in a whirlwind, I know, but you're going to have to figure out what you love, and you'll have to let us know in the comments. What do you like to eat on Virgin Voyages? What's your favorite? Mine may be the cheese steak, the ribeye steak with cheese at Pink Agave, which is their Mexican cuisine on board. Definitely start with the guacamole, very fresh, the enchilada de pollo or the pato. Several different things we loved, but this was my favorite steak on board at Pink Agave. Definitely take them up on their late night or their after hours at Pink Agave, where they have a restaurant-wide tequila shot with live music and a DJ. Definitely something to be there after hours for, get in good because that fills up. At the Wake, it's this seafood and steakhouse, the elegant place, because it's got a great view of the wake of the ship. And great steak. The menu has bone marrow, clam chowder, wedge salad to start. The main courses are your normal steakhouse like filet, New York strip. I had the ribeye, along with like lamb chops or salmon. The sides include like a cream spinach, twice baked potato. For like $75, you can go up to the aged tomahawk steak that everyone who had it really enjoyed. It was huge. The Juicy, I know we've passed that quick, was your place for fresh juices right next to the dock house. The dock house had nice small plates and tapas. The hummus was great. Definitely try the shrimp. And all of the time accompanied by a good acoustic venue in the back there, off the back of the ship above the wake. And it was really always relaxing when we went there. always good tapas to have at the dockhouse. The pizza place, every cruise line also offers pizza. Your individual made-to-order pizzas, you can have your classics, but they also have a jalapeno, which is like a jalapeno and avocado, also open for late night snacking or for late night dinner, let's be real. And if you just needed something quick, something handheld, a handheld wrap, a sandwich, or even a salad, they have them on board the ship on the edges of the galley or right before you go into the dockhouse, quickies. You can just grab one and go. Extra Virgin was an Italian dining experience, so some pasta, homemade pasta dishes. And it wasn't only pasta. They had pork cheek and sea bass, but they also had a homemade gelato cart that was pretty good. This doesn't even cover all of the food venues that are available on Virgin Voyages, so you're going to have to travel on Virgin and let me know. And what luck it is that I'm a travel agent. You can book in the link in the description below, or reach out to me at Craig@sellandsoar.com, and we'll have you enjoying the food on your next cruise in no time.